Hey there guys, it's me, Wendell. Today we're going to be playing Roblox. A game that's called Criminal versus SWAT. Now, I played this a couple times, I'm not the best, but neither am I the worst. So let's jump right in it. Okay, here we are in the game. It's, as I said, Criminal versus SWAT. And since, let's see which team has more. SWAT does, so I will join in the Criminal. Now, you die, so that's how it does it. And then you start off with all these. You get an RPG, crowbar, pistol, whatever, I don't know for sure what you call this, sniper, and a shield. So you also have an option of different costumes you can put on, and it changes every 15 minutes or so. And so, as you can tell from over there right now, it's in the nuclear map, and since I'm on the criminal team, I played this a couple times before I showed you guys. I'm good at sniping, sometimes at close battles if people keep on sniping me and I can find them. And so that's what I will be doing. I will find a plane. Now, it's for most planes it's how you use your arrow, but this time you have to use the arrow piece, or WASD, which is what I use. And then, so you have to get up here, you have to touch it to spawn. And apparently it's in use, it's never, I guess it does that. I've never had that happen to me before, but okay. And so then you get the jet. I was going to use the helicopter, but no one would let me use it. And the game just turned down the volume and stuff. There. Alright. And then we can turn this up, my speed for this. I'm unsure about how to do it on the phone, since right now I'm playing on the PC or computer, whatever you want to call it. You can grab it whichever way you want, however you want. And if somebody hits you, your plane just destroys. There's no fall damage in this game. And most of the time it's like capture the flag, so you see how that mark right there, right now is for the, I don't remember for sure what it's called, but it's uranium. And so your goal is to hit that, get back to your base, and then there's the capture that. There it says how much money you'll get. So that's how you play it. And now I'm going to get up here, snipe a couple people, then head down and do closer range battles with the crowbar. So let me just get up to the top of here. I'm pretty sure I won't die. And that falls. Yep, all that. Now I'm going to shoot down a couple of people. Get a couple sweet kills. Hopefully. Unless somebody gets me, I have to be careful. Most of the time the name pops up, but sometimes it doesn't. Yep, that was the spot, so I just caught it. See, like, the sniper for this is just a one hit dead, I'm pretty sure. And it does not have a scope, you have to use it like this, and as I said, there's the rocket launcher and all that. It goes a pretty decent speed, and then there's a crowbar, as I said, pistol, which then I'm pretty sure this could shield you from everything. So right now I'm just going to snipe down a SWAT right there. Or just be mean and destroy the boat. I was just playing this not that long ago. Let me just pow. So now that somebody found out where I am, I have to move somewhere else. So they don't know. That's how I play this game. Usually I'll go for close range to see if I can get anybody. And yeah, that's really what I'm going to be doing today. I will also show you guys how to get the uranium, which I will do here soon so I can get some cash. I'm already at about 10,000, as you can tell right here at the top right corner. So I'm about to get killed. So good. What? I don't know if that takes away a little bit of less health or it just kills you overall. I don't know for sure. But now I can go, I'll show you guys how to do the uranium thing. I got killed by that shot. Yeah, we'll just finish him off. And then it says knocked out SWAT. time someone kills you, it says knocked out by blank. As you can tell. So if somebody knocks you out by a friend or something, then you know. Which happened to me before, but most of the time, actually it happened to another person before, never happened to me. Never got sniped by a friend. So, as I said, I'm going to try to get over there. Now, this is a pretty old game, but still a decent amount of people play it. I don't know much about it, though. Actually, I know a lot about it since I played it. I play it a lot. Actually, I don't play it a lot, but I just play it because I feel like it. Okay, so for nuclear, you just have to come in here. This is how I do it. I'm pretty sure it's the only way. Now, if you don't see it moving, that means nobody has it currently. And then so you find out where this is in the basement to change teams. You can go to that, or there's another one probably somewhere. Then for nuclear, as I said, you can go through here. You can get a suit on. For me, it takes a little, so I'm just going to go on ahead and do it. Or it just does it like that. See it, and then it puts on everything for you, and then you can just stand on it. I'm pretty sure that it says that the uranium is yours, and then your goal is to take it back to your base. Now, I don't know for sure what you can use the money for, but that's all that I just do it for the fun of it, because people chase me down and all that. So I'll just head back up over there, make sure I still have it. But I'm pretty sure it doesn't come off here, so. I could get that, but it's fine. So now let me see if my boat is still over here. Yep, nobody got it. Yep, that's nice. And also, as you can tell from this, there's a minigun. So if you have a buddy with you, they can sit in the red seat for this criminal. I don't know for sure how it is for SWAT. I don't remember. But yeah, so then I'll come over here, come back over here, and as I said, there's a little guy. It says something for the SWAT. It says, bring me stolen uranium for quick cash. See, and it says plus 5 pound cash and a criminal's rule or whatever. So now I will go up to a couple of less range battles as that, but actually this, which is like, I don't know for sure if you guys heard it, but there's also cars. Oh, that guy is not being nice, so I'm just gonna do it with the Wait, who's there? Okay, missed. Okay, I need to hide and heal up. I'm gonna get to the top of this tower so I can get a better view of how I'm gonna go. So I'm just gonna climb up here real quick. And around, as you can tell, a crazy man of doom. Sorry, sir, but you're about to die. What? That was right there. I was right there. Whatever. I lost my suit. Dang it. Bam, I'm back. Alright, so you can also go up to the top of this tower and whatever you want, the top of your base. And as you can tell, there's like sniping ranges and all that. So, I'll just use this. What? How do I get these coasters up there? Okay, here's how I defeat people who's up there who I can't snipe or anything. There. I'm not taking this out. So, yep, as I said, hold on, there's this person right here. I sniper out so I can eliminate him. There we go. Now I need to go up here. And then I'm going to get my jet, as I said. And then for some reason it has a countdown, but that's just before at least the red button appears again, or whatever you want to call it, spawn button. And then so I'm going to turn up to full speed, as I said. The helicopter is also the same controls, if you ever get to use that. I'm just going to get the crazy man of doom. Here, I'll just pop down. Yeah, oh, I found another name. What? Shot does he have? Okay, I need to find out some way to get up there. Get up. This time I use my crowbar because apparently he wants to use his crowbar. Either way, I'm not getting very happy about it. So I'm just. Yep. Let me just go get him real quick. Since I said sorry about the moment of silence, I'm gonna. There's this actor coming in now. I'm gonna thank you guys for watching. Since I'm just gonna do one round for now. This is the alien map with Brian, which is in the same place, I believe. So, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Goodbye.